Equal Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA, Regulation B. Chapter 1, Introduction. Adopted in 1968, the Equal Credit Opportunity Act is a federal statute requiring companies who offer credit to do so without discrimination based on sex or marital status. In addition to the original two protected areas, sex and marital status, Congress has since expanded the list of areas protected to include the following: sex, marital status, race, color, religion, national origin, age, source of income from public assistance, because an applicant previously asserted rights violations against a potential creditor. Regulation B. Regulation B equals rules that clarify conduct under ECOA, originally the responsibility of the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve. Oversight of Regulation B was transferred to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. The ECOA does not guarantee that someone within one of the protected groups automatically receives credit approval. The applicant must still qualify per the creditor's underwriting guidelines. The creditor must ensure underwriters apply credit standards uniformly regardless of a person's race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, source of income from public assistance, or past allegations of violating applicants' rights, age provided the applicant has capacity to contract. ECOA, Learning Objectives and Key Points. 1. Explain discrimination and actions considered discriminatory. Grant access to credit equally regardless of personal characteristics and equal terms for similar credit profile. 2. Review the named protected categories of personal characteristics: race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, source of income if from public assistance, or exercise a right under the Consumer Credit Protection Act, CCPA. 3. Discuss compliance with information gathering requirements for government monitoring purposes. Collect personal characteristic information for reporting to government. 4. Describe the benefits of company self-testing and correction. Self-testing and correction lowers consequences compared to regulatory discovery and action. 5. Recall compliance with the adverse action notification requirements. Notify applicants of adverse action taken within 30 days. Required disclosure alert. Disclose these items. 1. At time of application, disclose discrimination prohibited based on personal characteristics. 2. Notice of action taken, NOAT, informing of adverse action, incomplete application, or approval within 30 days of a completed application. Disclosure at application. ECOA, Required Disclosures at Application. 1002.9, Notifications. The Federal Equal Credit Opportunity Act prohibits creditors from discriminating against credit applicants on the basis of race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, provided the applicant has the capacity to enter into a binding contract, because all or part of the applicant's income derives from any public assistance program, or because the applicant has in good faith exercised any right under the Consumer Credit Protection Act. The federal agency that administers compliance with this law concerning this creditor is CFPB. Disclosure of adverse action. Disclosure. Notification of action taken, NOAT. ECOA notice and statement of specific reasons for adverse action, denial. Complete applications. In writing within 30 days after receiving a completed application, within 90 days for counteroffer. Incomplete applications. Notify applicant in writing of items necessary to complete application as soon as practical, and no later than within 30 days in the time period to submit the missing information to complete. If a phone application, notify applicant verbally and inform of right to written notice.